Hi guys! Welcome back to the Dark World Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you something WhatsApp fake chats videos. Most of them use fake chat generators. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to make WhatsApp fake chats. This video is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please don't misuse it. Powerful website. You should know. First, open your browser and search for fakedetail.com. Once you opened, tap on Social Media app. Here you edit WhatsApp chats, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and many more. For example, I'm going to edit WhatsApp chats. And also you can edit WhatsApp message name. You can edit chat's username, typing or online, and profile image. I'm going to edit sender and receiver message chats, for example, "Hi, how are you?" You can reply to that message, "I am fine." Also, you can edit profile picture, user's name, last seen, message text, time and status, sent, delivered, seen, even typing, or online status. Make your fake chats more believable by using realistic profile pictures and mixing long and short messages, just like real conversations. You can fully customize mobile network like 5G, and battery percentage and timings. Make your fake chats more believable by using realistic profile pictures and mixing long and short messages, just like real conversations. Remember, these are just for fun. Don't use them to fool or harm anyone. Use them for skits, reels, storytelling, or to spice up your memes. And here many more options is there. You can edit anything like mail, IMEI, personal details, social media, text messenger, name generator, blogs, and more options. Once you edited, scroll down and you can download the chat converse image and you can use a screenshot and want to make fake prank chats your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Catch you soon with more creative content.